Do you want to start your career as a web developer? And the first programming language you should be aware of is HTML5. HTML5 is a hypertext markup language that helps you create the basic structure or the skeleton of your web pages. And this course is specially designed to help out the web developers to improve their programming skills, and this is also for the freshers. Hi, my name is Jahangir Shah and I will be your instructor throughout the course. I'm a web developer. Who can join this course? This course is for the one who wants to start their career as a web developer or the one who wants to improve their HTML5 skills. This course doesn't require any prior programming language experience. So what you will learn from this course? This course will improve your HTML5 skills. After completion of this course, you will be able to create the basic structure of your web pages, and you will be able to create forms, tables, and insert images, audio, video into your web pages. After completion of this course, you will be able to embed YouTube videos or Google Maps into your web pages. The structure of course is designed in 6 sections. Each section contains the content related to this course. So section 1 is based on introduction of this course, and in section 2 we will be working on text formatting in HTML5. In section 3 we will be working with the links and images. In section 4 we will be working with tables, and in section 5 we will be working with form elements. In section 6 we will be working with multimedia audio video elements. So thank you so much. Let's meet inside the course.